Okay, let's take a look at how to achieve this sort of effect. We'll be using the Voxel Print Utility and capabilities, and we have to start off with a stack of slices. A stack of slices is simply an image. In this case, we've got a PNG image. You can see here I've got a folder full of pictures, and this is what you end up getting. So let's go take a look at the anatomy of this kind of a slice. So first off, the aspect ratio that we print with, 300 by 300, and we can see I've got a slice of this type of geometry because this element is circular rather than rectangular like my image. I have to define the area that I'm not printing on. So in this case, that's this background or air as a material. And so that I will instruct the printer to ignore pixels in that color. Then we move on to the Vero clear material, the Vero UltraClear material inside, and then I've got a mix of my vivid resins and a little bit of clear as well to give me the precise transparency that I want. So we go off into our GrabCAD Print, we open up the Voxel Print Utility, and then I have to reference those slices. So we can see here that all my slices have a prefix that's NE_slice, and that's what I enter in here into the slice prefix. I have to tell the software where to go off and find all these files, so we reference the folder which has all the slices inside, and then we can change the name. And now I'm going to input that background color that GrabCAD is going to ignore. So it's 127, 127, 127, and we hit next. And now this is going to analyze all the slices and find the exact pixel colors that are defined within those slices. And here they are. And now I can go off and make those material assignments that correlate to those pixel colors. They could be any color that you define when creating the slices. And so we're going off and assigning our Vero Vivid Cyan material, the Vero Clear, the Vero Vivid Magenta, the UltraClear material, and the Vero Ultra White as well. Now we can leave the Voxel Print Utility and import that model into GrabCAD Print. And you won't be able to see any of the visualization on the model, as that's all baked in to those slices, and it's not really a model. This is just a sort of representation of the space that it will take. So I can't scale this now, I can't rotate it. All of that has to be defined and preset in those slices. So we can arrange the tray. I can choose whether it will be printed in matte or glossy, and we can send the file to print.